If you want to check a battery temperature on a Motorola Moto G56, then in that case we need to download a third-party app that provides us this information because we don't have a built-in option that allows us to check the battery temperature. So we're gonna go to the Play Store, and of course there are many different apps that provide this information. In my case, I'm gonna use the DevInfo app, which is this one over here. There we go. So you can use this one as well if you want to. If not, then you can try to find anything else. And let's open it. So let's press agree and start. And then we can also grant the permission. Well, we don't have to really. All right, so here at the top, we can switch to battery in order to find the battery information. And there we go. As you can see, the battery temperature is included in this place. So this is how we can check the battery temperature. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.